Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove a virus from your iPhone. So if you're having a virus on your iPhone, then here are 3 easy ways in order to fix this. So the problem with viruses on iPhone is that they can be everywhere. It can be in your calendar, it can be in your files, it can be whatever. So here are 3 easy ways to fix this. So the first one, all we need to do is head over into settings. And now the first fix we're going to try to fix is we are going to scroll a little bit down till we find Safari right here. So not news, sorry. We're going to click on Safari. And then right here you're going to scroll all the way down till you find clear history and website data, because there's a big chance that this virus is just on Safari. And then in order to clear your history and web data, you just simply click on clear history, and that will clear your history and website data, and it will also automatically remove that virus. Now, let's say that your virus is already on your iPhone, you accidentally downloaded the wrong file or something, then here's still a really easy way to remove that from your files. So in order to do that, all you need to do is go into settings where we already were, and then you want to click on your name right here. And then what you need to do is click on iCloud, and you need to click on iCloud Drive. You want to click on manage storage right here. It's going to load a few seconds. And then you can right here click on downloads, and then you want to click on delete from iCloud, and it will remove all the downloads you've ever made to your iCloud Drive. And this of course also means your files, and this will fix a lot of viruses that are currently on your files app, which also impact your iPhone. So I will definitely recommend doing that, and that should maybe fix the issue for you. Now another way in order to fix this is actually scrolling down, because there's also a chance that this virus is within the calendar app. You just keep on getting reminders from the calendar app with viruses. So in order to remove that, all you need to do is click on calendar, accounts. You want to then go into Gmail or iCloud, or if it says subscribe or subscriptions, then you want to click on that. So currently I don't have any subscriptions over on my calendar. However, just trust me, if you have a subscription over on your calendar, which could cause viruses, then all you need to do is click on accounts. You want to head over into that subscription, and you want to simply click on remove it. So this can also be done within Gmail, for example. It will literally just say delete subscription instead of delete account right here. Now, if that still didn't work, you've tried those 3 fixes and you're still getting viruses over on your iPhone, then this means that this virus is already within your entire operating system, and it's really hard to remove it. All you then can do is go into general. You need to then scroll down, and you want to click on transfer reset iPhone, and you need to make sure to make a backup of your iPhone. And once you have done that, literally all you can do is click on erase all content and settings, and it will literally just completely factory reset your iPhone basically, and this will 100% remove all viruses from your iPhone, because it will basically be set to new again. However, do know it will also just remove all your apps from your from your iPhone. It will also remove your passwords, so be a little bit careful with that. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.